how to get resources in Palmon survival. So since this is a progression game, there's most likely tons of ways you can get resources. One of the common ways is rewards over here, like your duels or guild rewards or limited time events, those kinds of rewards. As long as it's a general reward, there's one way you can get resources, like your daily tasks over here. You got main quests, side quests. You can go ahead and follow up with these, and they're pretty simple and they're based on what level you're currently in. So it's best to do those first if you want extra or bare resources. Another thing is to collect from your resource building. So one of these over here, it should collect automatically for most of them. But if you want more, of course, you have the option to upgrade these buildings. Next, you can go ahead and upgrade your resource for your research. That will increase the output of how much resources you'll be getting. And if you do have a guild, you'll probably get extra rewards here in your mail just by being AFK, but it's best to be active in that guild so that you won't be kicked out and the guild itself will have a better chance on thriving. There's also going to be system rewards, so you can check out those from time to time. Again, we can go back to our guild, which is one of the best ways to get extra resources, especially if the guild is thriving or it's a active and good guild. You have the common and rare gifts, so you can go ahead and check those from time to time. But of course, just go ahead and contribute to the guild instead of just taking resources from the guild itself. Now, resource does cost increase dramatically at higher count levels, so try not to spend gold or your lumber steel on unnecessary upgrades when you're saving for your next camp upgrade. It's best to do it on a chronological order so that the rewards you'll be getting will be balanced and it won't be too weak, or you would like it to be strong, so of course you don't have to complain for that case. But those are a few ways you can get resources in the game without, including the pay-to-win options or the shopping options. Of course, you can get resources from shopping as well using the in-game currency or real currency. But you can check out those as well if it does suit your needs. Anyways, hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.